In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your signature in Adobe Sign. If you've ever started signing a document and realized your saved signature isn't what you want to use, don't worry. There's a quick way to update it right in the signing flow. First, open the document you need to sign and click the signature field, typically labeled "Click here to sign." This opens the signature dialog. You'll see your current saved signature previewed there, ready to be applied. Instead of accepting it, choose to create a new one. Adobe Acrobat Sign gives you three simple options: draw, type, or upload. If you draw your signature, use your mouse, a stylus, or your finger, if you're on a touch device. Take a moment to write naturally, and if it doesn't look right, clear it and try again until you're happy. If you prefer to type, enter your name and browse the available styles. Pick a style that feels professional and consistent with how you want your signature to appear. If you already have a high-quality image of your signature, choose Upload and select that file. For best results, use a clean, high-contrast image. A transparent or white background helps it look crisp on the page. When you're satisfied, click Apply. This uses your new signature for this signing action and replaces the previously saved one for the current document you're working on. It won't change signatures that were applied to older documents and doesn't alter anything you've already signed. If you want to remove a saved signature so you can start fresh, you can do that right from the same signing dialog. Click into the signature area, look for the Clear or Delete option, and confirm. That wipes the saved signature from the dialog, letting you create a new one immediately using Draw, Type, or Upload. The label and exact location of Clear or Delete can vary slightly by version, but it's always within the signature dialog you just opened. A few important notes to keep in mind. Once a PDF has been signed and saved, that signature is embedded to protect the document's integrity, so you typically can't change or remove it inside that finalized file. You can only adjust your signature style before applying it. If the document is already signed and finalized, but you need a different signature, you'll need a new, unsigned copy of the document to sign again. When in doubt, test your updated signature on a sample document first to make sure it looks the way you expect. That's it. Quick, secure, and flexible.